Hey! 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 Awareness yogo. Hey!
Unapata dem amezana mwanaume na boy amemruka. Asina backside dem amekuwa sasa kama unaona kama sisi vile tuko hapa. Sisi ni young mothers na bado kuna wengine. Huku Kibera tuko na young mothers wengi. Napata sasa dem ana malipa kuishi. Inabidi sasa amefanya kazi, hakuna kazi huko Kenya. Anafanya kazi ya kulala na wanaume tofauti asaidie ule mtoto.
Stop. Okay. Hello guys, this is Breaking Back 254. You are watching Kenyans Vs Food. Leo niko na Kibera, karibia customer. Utapata chakula ya bure na pesa ya bure. And I'm with the famous DCI, Bravo Mas.
Yes, Kenyan DCI, content mafia, well known all over in Africa. Lakini hawa ni jumla njoo kweli. So guys, najaribu pia nikuwe famous huku mtaani. So guys, leo tuko na competition moja hapa safi. You can see what's on the table. Hey, kitu safi, cucumber. Ama huku mtaani mnaita aje? Cucumber tu. Unasema ni cucumber? Safi. Sasa nikuulize, hii cucumber inaweza kusaidia aje kama wewe unaoka vile ushauma? Inaweza kusaidia aje like kwa nini yako?
Mimi hii naikula kwa sababu hata mostly inaweza fanya hata kama kichwa na kuuma inawacha.
Sasa huyu amesema kichwa kama inakuuma inawasha. Acha tusikie mwingine
Inasaidia upande wa skin hivi.
Skin, unaona hata skin yake lakini amechora kidogo. Sasa amesaidia skin hapa kaichora. Na wewe?
Mimi itamu ndio lakini inaleta pia kansa.
Inatoa kansa. Usifanye wabanki kama Kenya na wewe.
Mimi venye nimeionja nimefeel inasaidia pia akili.
Oh, the brain. Yeah, cucumber helps on the brain.
So you have had the benefit of eating cucumber.
So we are telling them Kibera people are educated.
Yeah, they're educated a lot.
They know.
I didn't even know all these uses.
You see. So usidhani Kibera watu wajasoma. Watu wanajua hizi vitu. Ama ni aje, si ndio?
Why are they always scared to buy cucumber? Can you ask them?
Mbona mnaogopa kununua cucumber?
Ni vile ni expensive huko.
Expensive ngapi?
Sasa kama saa zingine hizi 300.
Oh,
mostly tunazikula kwa kachumbari.
They say it's expensive.
Kuipata si rahisi.
So how many do you eat in a day? Can you eat in a day?
Twice a day.
Okay,
how many? Unaweza kula ngapi hizi?
Naweza kula kama 2. I can eat only 2.
2 every day. Which is good.
Yeah.
It's good in a day. 2.
Me can eat 4.
4. Hey, yeah, you can eat how many in a day?
5.
Hey. Okay. So by the way, guys, this competition is to see the highest cucumber eater. The highest cucumber eater. The winner has 10K.
10,000.
So until the cucumbers are finished, we'll be counting the highest eater.
Mwenye amekula mingi.
Uko ready?
Yeah.
Uko ready kabisa?
Hii competition sio mchezo. So it's exactly 5:38.
5:38 guys.
So in 3, 2, by the way, you're eating cucumbers and
yogurt.
Dip you eat. She's an allergic, so
she's allergic to yogurt. I think hapa chini lakini you'll go with it.
No, let's put down there. They can see it.
No, you will go with it. She'll go with it.
Okay. In 3, 2, 1, you can start.
20. Eat the cucumber. Wow. Hey, look at them. Ladies eating cucumber. Leo wamesema cucumber inasaidia skin.
So
vitu tumesikia huko nje ni za uongo.
The Kibera.
The train is coming.
Kibera train.
Train inapitanga 5:30. Imebeba watu
2, 3. Some 93, some 23.
9:30.
Some 93, some 23.
This contains policemen. You see it has policemen and it has
election time.
No. It's for carrying people. People are being carried here.
How much do you even pay?
20 shillings.
Yeah,
from town.
And where is it going to?
It's going for even to Kikuyu. It goes. You say people are entering the train.
Uko fiti.
Uko sawa.
First finish one. That's on the first.
Ni tamu sana.
Ni tamu.
Mnaona aje hizo? Mama. Mnaona aje? Hii ndio inafaa. So hii ndio inaweza than hii.
I wish it is sweeter. It's a small one.
Una prefer gani hii ama hii? Hii. So this one is sweeter than this one.
And the big one.
Hey, the smaller one.
The big one is bigger.
So Ya kubwa ndio sika than wewe ni the small one. Na wewe yako the gani? The small one or the big one? The big one, and you?
The one with big. All of them, zote.
This one takes all. Small or big, it's okay. I'm telling you, content. Kibera train. You see, Kibera has 1 million. 1 million people in Kibera, guys. 1 million people.
Wow.
What 1 million people should subscribe.
1 million people should
1 million
subscribe.
from Kibera. So
Those watching from Kibera,
yes.
if you like our content, drop your comments.
Yes.
On the benefits of eating cucumber, don't forget to subscribe.
Yes.
Kenyan Vs Food.
You see the way ladies are eating cucumber slowly.
Hey, they take their time.
They really take their time.
Pole.
Pole too. Eh? You can see them slowly and slowly.
Slowly but surely.
I see. They have no rush.
Hey, she's done with the first one.
She's taking the big one.
Okay. Hey!
Taking the big one. The big one dipping in the rocket. Hey. Fear. Oh. Hey, this one loves the small one, took the small one.
Okay.
You take what you love. I'm telling you.
Hey, but she's swallow all inside the mouth.
All of it.
In the kubwa kama it's like my hand.
Which one? This one.
Hey, they are big.
They're big.
But cucumbers in Juja are bigger than this. Does it mean Kibera cucumbers they are small?
No, I don't think so. You know, Kibera cucumbers, they have all sizes because people are over 1 million. But in Juja,
the
small
big
ones. No, Juja they are small ones. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, here we have a lot. These are just examples.
Example.
You can see the way the ladies are eating. They have no haste.
No money haste.
No. Wow. Chagua
This
ingine.
place is dangerous.
Chagua ingine.
If you fall here,
Kuleni. Kwani mshashiba ni?
bro, that place is it Langata?
Yeah, that's Langata. For those who don't know Langata, that's Langata. Yes.
Up there.
So Langata and Kibera, they are near.
They are near.
Yes. So that's Langata and all of it.
So the second.
They're all at the second one.
Okay. Let's see the record breaker.
This one is taking dry. Dry cucumber. I'm telling you. Yes. Dry cucumber.
Okay, she should face the camera.
Yes. Like that.
Yes.
Yeah. But she's
Evil.
eating. She's really eating. She's small, but she's taking big.
Cucumber.
I'm telling you.
By the way, this is the first time people are eating cucumber and milk in this world.
Yes.
I've never seen it.
This one must go to Guinness Book of Records.
Yeah, Guinness Book of Record.
Yes. They must
Ladies
go
eat cucumber.
Yes.
I've not seen a lady buying cucumber in my life.
You have never seen?
When we went to buy this one, they were looking at us like, hey, what are you going to do with that one?
So ladies hate buying this one.
But they enjoy eating it.
You enjoy eating it?
Ladies enjoy eating it.
Oh, yeah, you can even see. They're just relaxed eating it. Cucumber with yogurt. I'm telling you.
For those who are fat, if you eat this one, hey, you
will slim.
Flat tummy, 6-pack.
But 6-pack is for Royco. Royco Kib, you know Royco Kib?
Royco.
Yes.
Yes.
They say 6-pack won't pay your bills.
yeah. 6-pack won't pay bills.
Yes. They won't pay your bills.
So sugar daddies are always 1
yeah,
pack.
You know sugar daddies?
Mechoka? No. What is the show?
Sugar daddies, poor people.
Sugar daddies are poor.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
If you don't get it, forget about it. Sugar daddies.
Unaona utafiti inafanywa wanasema rich people don't have time for their ladies. Ni kweli kama huku ghetto maboya kuna time ya wasichana ama unaona aje? Maboya kuna time huku ghetto.
Hawana time ya wasichana.
Last idea.
Hawana? Sasa ni same na watu wenye kuna pesa. Ndio wanasema watu kuna pesa wananga time ya wasichana.
Maboy wanataka wa mama wakubwa.
Wenye wako na hiyo.
Wenye wako na pesa ndio wawafunge.
Na nyinyi mnataka nini?
Sisi.
Nataka mtu ana do.
Wewe unataka mimi na pesa wewe?
Mimi napenda kijana kuna bidii.
This one is saying he loves guys with who are hardworking. This one is saying he loves guys with money.
Money.
So money oriented. This is business oriented.
What
Wewe
about
unapenda nini?
Me,
Yes.
a person who he's hardworking, he's lovely, and he's anaweza take care of my family.
Looking lovely.
So if someone kama mtu ako hardworking na hana kitu utamchukua?
Sasa si ako hardworking, lazima aende work ndio apate hiyo pesa. Lazima aende work. Maana hardworking ni nini?
You see how many cucumbers left?
Unaweza kuwa na bidii na bado pesa ikuji.
Kama ako na bidii ananionyesha hiyo bidii yake, najua pesa itakuja baadaye.
Lakini mapenzi si pesa. Mapenzi si pesa. Ama mapenzi ni pesa.
Bila pesa.
Saizi maisha saizi bila pesa ni ngumu.
Fear.
The Kenyan ladies.
Yes. They say you got nyash, you got no sense.
Hey.
Kwa saizi mimi siko na watu.
What you say is true, money is everything. Ndio.
Pesa ni kila kitu.
For now I have children.
Yes.
You see?
Kuna
I'm a single
how many?
mother. Two.
Yeah.
Then ni kudate.
Yes.
And you are not giving me anything. How will you help my children?
It's true.
Yeah.
It's true.
You say good strokes cannot secure a relationship.
Good strokes. What do you mean? Good strokes are a good relationship.
Yes. You beat the children. Who got it bad? Forget about it.
Kibera.
Uko ya tatu. Hii ni ngapi?
She's on number how many?
She's small but very taking big.
Number 3. Number 3. Number 2. 2.
She's small but taking.
And she's taking big. Fear. Okay, fear.
She's colorful. Hey.
Wow.
She doesn't mind.
Okay, yes, she's taking dry.
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 She's taking dry, but she can't continue. But this one is watering it, and you see the journey is continuing.
Then she has experience.
Experience.
Kuna experience mingi.
Hey! Yeah. Yeah, Kenyan ladies. Umesarenda.
Inanichafua roho.
You're surrendering.
He surrendered.
10K.
And you? Who is surrender? She's taking it slowly. Slowly by slowly. What's the secret? Waambie siri. Siri ni nini? Ikwe maji.
Hey, all of them have tattoo. Hey, bro, mask. Yes. They love tattoo.
Oh, yeah. This one has tattoo. I don't know about the two.
Hey,
mbona umeweka tattoo? Ama ni ya mtu wako?
Hapana, hakuna tattoo mtu wangu hapa. Nimeweka tu juu napenda.
Oh, wapi uko nayo? Allah?
She has tattoo.
Yako ni ya nini ama beauty tu? Butterfly for beauty.
Butterfly.
Oh, na yako ni ya nini?
Eriko.
Oh, your child is called Eriko. Eriko, wherever you are, mommy loves you. And you, hii ni Mickey Mouse. You like playing around.
Butterfly, yeah.
Mickey Mouse is for playing.
Mickey Mouse.
Yes.
Tom and Jerry.
Wow, that's nice.
Wow.
Na pesa ratu mnatoa wapi? Ama mnajichora?
We are hustlers.
We are hustlers.
Okay. Hustler. Hey, Kibera ghetto.
Yeah, wow. Beauty is everything. So in Kibera, everything can be done.
Everything is possible.
And
hey, everyone is busy. That's a church doing and deliverance there.
Yeah. The place is busy. What do you think, Breaking Bad? Should we bring them back again? These Kibera ladies. What do you think?
Wow, that imechoka. She ate 3. The third, second, third. Okay. Let's see who surrenders first.
They're doing well. I think we should bring them in another video. They eat now. Mnataka kula nini? Ugali nyama.
Yeah,
ugali with meat.
Ugali and meat.
Ugali nyama sawa.
Na mnakulanga ulimi?
Ya ng'ombe.
Hata kibila kile hakuna kitu kingine.
Kichwa.
Yote tunakula.
So tutake kichwa, ulimi, ugali. Yote.
Eat everything, even if a dog.
Hey, dog. Snake.
You eat dog? Are you sure?
Hey.
What are you doing?
She's removing the seats.
I'm withdrawing these things.
He's removing the seeds.
Hey!
So that it
Yeah!
becomes
Ah! Hey! Strategy.
a good
Experience.
strategy. Experience.
Okay. So, you have given up. She's still on the game. Try on the game.
Yes. That is yogo.
Hey!
The remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They have tried.
Kubwa.
They are big.
How do they hold them?
You see, this one is. You see the way that one is. This one is
You can
holding
hold it
like that.
like that.
Ah, strong. Okay.
If it is bigger, it can't fit in your hands. If it's big.
You can cut it.
You can cut into pieces.
Or you squeeze it.
Squeeze.
You squeeze it so that
Or you can cut it.
you can cut it.
So how do you see Bravo?
Yes.
Hey, they are tired.
They are tired.
Let's see the highest eater.
The highest eater is between her and her.
Yes.
And her.
But she's on the third.
Yes,
But
this one-
she's going for the
taking
biggest.
Yeah,
Yeah, the biggest.
Small but big.
Small but big.
I think that's the power of it.
The power of a woman.
Yes. Strong. Even the yogurt, she's almost finishing.
Kibera. It's too cold.
It's cold in Kibera.
Hey.
No, it's not cold. Maybe
Lot of wind.
you have health issues.
I had issues. But when you go to the gate inside the ghetto now.
It gets much colder. It's not cold here.
Ah.
Me, I feel like Kibera is nice.
Umechoka? Kwani ni kesho?
Ni leo.
Ni leo.
Nimesikia unasema unataka kazi. Unataka kazi gani wewe? Kazi gani?
Yenye iko tu.
Yenye iko tu. Anyway, na wewe
Kama cleaner.
Even it is a cleaner.
cleaner. So people who are watching and you want maybe to give these girls work, they can work.
Peke yake.
They can do anything. Mnafanya kitu yote. So if you want to find them guys,
Hizo pesa.
we'll
Pia njia mbaya.
I will connect you.
yeah.
We are
If
the
you
middlemen.
want to give them work, guys, they are very good girls. They are hardworking.
Yes.
They are humble. You can reach us guys at Kenya Vs Food.
Kenyan Vs Food.
Yes, we go and find them. They have work.
Which type of cleaning do you do? Which type of?
I can wash.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wash clothes, zote.
Clothes I can wash. I can wash some rooms.
Hey,
Okay.
hey. Oh, is he on the fourth one? This one.
Yeah.
Small but dangerous. Hey, I'm standing here, the master.
Master, metro.
I'm telling you,
Umechoka?
There's a starting with number 4.
this one is tired. So she's taking the fourth one,
Hey.
Yeah, fourth one.
head to head.
Head to head.
Head to head. Silent. She's not even making noise.
Don't make noise, yeah. So don't make noise. Don't take head.
They fear small girls. They take it slowly. They don't make noise. So
No kelele.
yes. But big girls, they make a lot of noise.
Hey.
It's like it's riot. They are rioting.
Hey, she's breaking into two.
Hiyo.
You know, it tastes kama ya kawaida.
Hii ni tamu ama ni kali?
This thing, they have different taste.
Hii ni tamu ama ni kali? Oh, hii si tamu.
Niko na nyingine yana kani
Big
kama
but useless.
I mean, it's already old. It's already mzee. This is the mzee.
Big but useless.
This is the mzee.
It has no taste.
This is the mzee now. It's already big but useless.
This is mzee
Sasa
cucumber.
tufanye
Mzee cucumber.
You can put unaweza
Yeah,
kaka.
let's.
Chagua ile unasikia.
This one is, hey, it's too soft. See, it's even. It's already. See,
Hii iweze kufurahisha.
it's already.
Tuweke hapa kando.
Yeah. Hey, she has broken into two. Okay.
Hey, Nyeri.
Nyeri.
Wewe ni Nyeri. Pia Nyeri ladies. Nyeri ladies, if you play with them, you wake up in the morning. You don't have your
Hallelujah.
You are hallelujah. Hey,
So
fear.
guys, keep on subscribing to Kenyans Vs Food.
Yes.
Like all the videos. Drop your comments. Which content you like next time.
So
for you.
guys, those who are watching everywhere, thanks for supporting us. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. We are having a.
I think
The time is up, eh? We have
time is not up, but
yes,
the highest to keep on eating.
yes. She's taking over the lead, eh?
Yes.
But I'm telling people, those who want to give them work.
This is for the fourth one.
Oh, that's the fourth one.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
you
yeah, this is the
umekata
fourth
mara mbili.
Nimemaliza ingine ndio ya pili.
Those who want to give them work, guys, contact us. If you have any work, they're humble girls,
Yes,
they're
they'll
looking
work.
for work. You can help them out. You can reach us, we'll reach them. They want to work. Not only eat, guys, they want to hang.
Yes.
Yes, so if you reach us, we'll get them back to you, then you'll get them.
Hey, these ones are too. Hey, these old cucumbers.
Na vile nimekula wengine ndio maana nilikuwa nataka.
Na mtaka kufanya kazi nje ama umependa Kenya?
Hata nje tunafanya tu.
Mnazaenda nje?
Connection ndio hatuna.
Mko sure? Mtaka kwenda kazi nje wote?
Tunataka.
Wewe unataka kwenda?
Eh.
Na wewe pia? Pia wewe. Pia wewe. Mko sure?
Ndio maana tunakuuliza hiyo mambo ya kazi.
Uko na kila kitu? Sawa. After hapa we'll see what we can do.
Iko kwa kampuni yetu.
We can organize. I have someone I will organize for you for free.
I have a
Okay.
Passport.
Yeah, no. I have someone I can organize them for free. They go and work outside. Even if it is Dubai or Qatar.
Vietnam.
Yes, they can go somewhere.
Okay.
They can connect
Yes.
them. The four of you.
Umetusaidia haki.
I think we should start those. Hey, that thing.
Yeah, we should
the
help
money.
Yeah.
Help people to
They
go
go.
abroad. But then when they go, they will forget about us.
No.
They'll give percentage. No. When you go and you have money.
They give.
I don't know you.
Move away. They move.
No.
Okay.
Hatuwezi wasahau manake nyinyi ndio mmetuorganize. Sasa tuwasahau vipi?
Or you saying you won't forget you because you have organized?
Okay. What if you go and meet a Muzungu who has money more than every? You say, they came back.
No.
Okay. Hey,
You know when ukienda kufanya kazi nje ni 2 years before rudi. 2 years.
Haina shida.
Mko sawa?
Sawa.
So guys, we'll organize. If you have work also in Kenya, you can contact us.
what is the highest paying job for ladies in Kibera?
Hapo kazi gani ndio iko na do mingi?
Highest paying job
In Kenya.
In Kibera here.
In
Kibera,
Kibera.
yeah.
That
For,
you
for
do.
ladies like you.
House cleaning or house
help.
help. They're saying house help.
Kuna
How much?
kazi
Domo.
Na hotel.
Hoteli inalipwa how much?
Kazi yenye kuna job mingi hapa.
Pesa. Yenye kuna pesa
Yenye
mob.
kuna do mob. Sio.
Ni gani?
As in job kama Sama, Shofco.
Oh, the organizations.
Yeah, hizo ndio ziko na do, lakini story mambo ati na house help. Pesa yao is very low. Pesa yao ni kidogo sana.
House help wanalipa ngapi?
150.
150 for
House help per month unalipwa, wengine wanakulipa
Hotel 150
3,000,
What?
wengine wanakulipa like 5,000 hiyo.
Every month.
Yeah.
Hey, bravo, salary.
Yeah.
Monthly salary
150.
5K every month.
Yeah, of
5K,
course.
5K.
5K
every month,
per month.
$50 a month.
Yeah.
Then you have to arrange yourself the whole month with
The
that.
fifth one. You are the winner, girl.
So
Hey.
hey, this girl is doing it.
Hey. Okay.
This is the winner. She's taking everything silently. She can take 5.
Hey. At a time.
She's taking 5 silently.
At a go.
Well,
Wow.
this
Hey,
one's
this one's are these ones are old. Old cucumbers.
It's not good.
making bad. She's taking 5 silently. These ones are making noise without taking.
That taking.
So they're just holding.
Moral lesson.
They're just holding.
Moral lesson.
Moral lesson, eh? Akili mtu wangu.
Empty vessel means the loudest noise.
Hey, empty vessel. Anyway, guys, we keep on reminding you guys. In Kibera, there's a lot of people who need work. If you're there, you want to collaborate with Kenyans Vs Food, come on board, guys. Let's help people here. We have a population over 1 million,
1 million
guys.
people in Kibera.
They need work, they need support, organization out there, the government. You can come through. We can help our girls here.
Hey, but
them, madam,
you know
challenge,
what,
madam,
I like
nini? Challenge kubwa.
Challenge ya madem. Unapata dem amezaa na mwanaume na boy amemruka. Asi na baki sasa dem amekuwa sasa kama unaona kama sisi vile tuko hapa. Sisi ni young mothers na bado kuna wengine. Huku Kibera tuko na young mothers wengi. Unapata sasa dem ana malipa kuishi. Inabidi sasa amefanya kazi, hana kazi, hakuna kazi huko Kenya. Anafanya kazi ya kulala na wanaume tofauti asaidie ule mtoto. Umeelewa? Ndio alishe watoto huko. Maybe na watoto.
Men in Kibera behaving like chicken. You know, when the chicken lays eggs and has kids, it don't look for the jogo.
Kazi hapa Kenya ni
vijana wa siku hizi
young mother si rahisi tupate kazi.
Ngoja nimalize alafu ongea ama ongea.
Lakini na make sure unaona after hapa. Na make sure nimewa connect sana.
Wacha nikwambie vijana wa siku hizi hao vijana wetu wadogo, hao vijana wanapenda kulishwa, wanapenda kufugwa yani na wamama. Wapendi wasichana wadogo kama sisi. napata wameacha wasichana wadogo kama sisi na hiyo rembo yetu yote wameenda kwa mama wazee. Juu sisi hatuna hiyo uwezo kwa. Wewe maybe unaenda kufulia mtu ufue ukuje na 200. Hiyo 200 mtu wako anataka pamba. Sio 200 ndio school fees. Wewe utawezana kweli? Ndio maana naona tunaishi. Sasa sisi kama young mothers mtusaidie na kazi. Tuko tu tuko wengi hata challenge.
I will assure you. Kazi mtapata kwa.
Challenge nyingine pia hapa Kibera. Wengine tunaachwa pia tukiwa wadogo. Mabwana zetu wanakufa tukiwa bado young. Wanatuacha na watoto. Saa unashindwa, amekuacha una job, amekuacha yani haujui hata utaanzia wapi. Mtoto anafaa kusoma, rent inafaa kulipwa, so inabidi ustruggle tangu pate mtu mwenye unasaidiana na yeye like a partner. Ni hard sana, very hard.
Okay, Sean, so and
we see we are also
saying the challenges you face.
Yes.
Yeah, like I was saying,
Yes.
Nilikuwa nasema kama sisi young mothers, mtu kama mimi, bwanangu alikufa nikiwa very young na alikufa nikiwa na watoto wawili. By that time sikuwa na job, sikuwa hata na mali naweza endea, watoto wanastahili kuenda shule, so nilishindwa hata nitaanzia wapi. Saa hata kupatana na mtu mwenye anaweza chukua mzigo yako na hao watoto wawili akusaidie ni ngumu sana. Lakini naomba kama mnaweza kutusaidia sisi kama young mothers hapa Kibera, Katwekera slums, mtusaidie kama kuna kazi yote mnaweza kutupatia, hata sisi mtu boost nayo. Tuta appreciate tunayo kidogo yenye mtatupatia. Yeah.
Then challenge nyingine ni enyewe jobs zipatikananga huku. Zinaletwa mafundi zinaletwa but haitufikiangi sisi, inafikianga hawa sema wenye nini, unapata hao watu wakubwa wana ni kujuana, wana nini hao watu
lazima utumie, waambie lazima utumie pesa
hapo ndani nao
Not saying you have to sleep with them to get the work. Hey, yes. Hey, you sleep with them so that you get the work. So that's the biggest challenge. But I think we can change. They can change. We can change all this.
If I catch any person asking to get work, me I'll say to Nyeri.
You send them to Nyeri. Nyeri people are harsh, but they are good girls. They are humble.
Yeah. So
and
you
we are happy
them.
to be here.
So
So
but why and do they now keep on giving birth, but they don't? How do you know a good man in Kibera? Or how do you mean Kibera? Are they faithful to their wives?
hey, this one is starting the 6 to.
They're not majority.
Yeah.
Few of them they're good, but majority they're not good at all. They're not good because sasa mtu anakuja kutongoza, anakuja na confidence, anakuonyesha venye anaweza kusaidia, yani anatoa ile mambo yake ya ndani mpaka yenyewe pia unakuwa na hope mtu anaweza nisaidia. But once umesha fall, umeshaenda, tabia ni ile akusaidii tena.
Saying that the men come convince him with good words, then afterwards when you sleep with them they change now.
They change. But I think the lady should also be blamed. If I was a lady,
yes,
and no man will ever sleep with me if I don't have money in my hand. You must deposit like 1 million shillings.
But let me tell you, you know,
if I'm a lady,
but
so like my future children, before a man comes to you, you must have 1 million shillings first before you see your.
Then they will not boyfriend.
They won't lack. You see, but if they're looking good, flatter me, so they will have boyfriend.
But let me tell you, you know, research shows that 70% of people live in Kibera live below the dollar a day.
Hey.
Yeah, they live below the dollar a day, and there are so many organizations. It's true. There are so many organizations set up in Kibera, rich organizations. I don't want to mention them, but we don't see the impact. Like this, still the Kibera we see every day, you know. But the Kibera people are still the same people who come out and fight for so many things, but things are not delivered. But I think this time round, you know, they are saying helping 10 is better than helping none. So we'll make sure these ladies
is it possible and as Kenyans Vs Food you can open an organization out of funds, because if you do that out of funds from the WHO, all those people, they can give funds.
Yeah, we can try.
Manage somewhere.
We can try as Kenyans Vs Food. We see how we can make
employment
for
people. Yeah, it's true.
We make employment because these organizations they really benefit more than they give.
Yeah, it's true. Hey, they benefit a lot.
Because there are so many organizations.
The time of COVID, they used to send a lot of palliatives. A lot. Watch Nigerians palliatives. they go and hide them somewhere and then they don't give the people.
Yes.
By the way, and they are doing a very good job.
She's on the 6th one.
Yeah, as you are speaking.
Yes. This lady. Hey, you're making noise. She's silent shaking there.
Okay.
Now she's on the 6th one.
Okay.
Dangerous fear.
Hey. Local ladies.
Local ladies are dangerous, but they are good people. People should just not take advantage of them.
Yeah, it's true. Hey, by the way, guys, respect yourselves.
Yes.
If you have job, give.
Give job.
Give.
Don't ask for something.
And you'll be blessed.
Yes.
Just look at if it was your daughter, how will you feel?
Imagine.
Yes.
So people also there were watching me and want to give this ladies work. Please contact us. I know
Contact
there are
us.
people who have
Cleaning.
They don't even need
laundry
more.
services.
Even if they get 10,000 a month,
Yeah.
20,000 a month, it's okay.
Part time.
It's okay. They just need something to
Yes.
do. So they're coming out to it, and don't misuse them. If you misuse them, as the Kenyan DCI will make sure that we take you down. You know me, I have power. I will take them down.
If you misuse them, you become important.
We will report you. You will know. So I think we'll follow up. We'll see if these girls will get work.
Yes.
We'll make sure if don't get work in Kenya, they must fly.
Yeah.
Then they go and
So
work.
if you have those connections and everything,
Yes.
DM us, help a soul,
Yes.
help out there, and you'll be blessed.
And thank you for watching, guys. Make
So
sure you
she was the
subscribe.
winner.
She's the winner now. Youngest winner.
Kelele. Let's make some noise for her. She's 6.5. 6.5. Hey.
Dangerous.
Hey, but this thing have seats.
She's taking everything, even the seats.
Vote.
She's taking it. She's
Okay.
very strong.
Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the content, and stay tuned for more is still to come.
Yeah, and
Thank
guys,
you,
on our next video, we will follow up on these girls. As they eat something else, we'll make sure these girls get work. Follow us now. Make sure you subscribe, like,
By
and
the way,
comment.
people are always saying that I'm always giving people in Kibera weird food. Why should I bring them pizza and stuff?
Yes.
No, they ask for it.
Yes, they
They
ask for it.
And they're saying next time they want nyamachoma
And
stuff.
ugali,
So
that's-
next time I'll bring it to them.
So support us as Kenyans Vs Food so that we bring more food to ghetto, and make sure we bring explicit content, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Like you who are watching me, I will subscribe.
Finya,
You're just
subscribe.
Finya your kid.
Take us a
Nice.
100K.
Thank you guys. Nice.
That was good.
That was good. I think this one we can